How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bill, and in today's video doing a quick mod to the interior of the Bronco. Now our friends sent me over these carbon fiber covers. Now here, this one is stuck on there. The fit on these is really good. And obviously if you look closely at it, you can tell it's not real carbon fiber. It is a carbon fiber print. This is the matte version. They have a gloss version. I think the matte just looks better with everything else we got going on. So that one is installed. They stick on there. Now I have the centerpiece, and I have not removed the adhesive on the back. I'm going to send them a picture because I'm guessing most people have this handle there. So they have these cutouts so it fits around that. If you have a base, or if you're like me, just don't like that handle and put the base blank off plate there, it does kind of leave some open spaces. It doesn't look horrible, but it would look better if it was just all filled in. I don't know if they make a version for if you don't have handles, but I'm going to send them some pictures and show them that. And maybe if they've never considered making a version for that, we'll find out. But they sent an entire kit. And it covers this bezel here, this black plastic, all the door handles, this switch, the switches here, which I can never keep these clean. No matter how hard I try, stuff just builds up in those. So maybe the cover there will help that some, which we got right here. And then even a steering wheel. So we will check that out. But yeah, the door ones, here's the rear. So for the rear doors, it just covers this black plastic and fits right over top of there like so. I think it looks good with the rest of the interior. Said it's not an actual carbon fiber, but it doesn't look bad, and I like the matte. So to install it, we'll just go ahead and peel all the tape off the back, which can take, depending on how well this tape wants to behave. Let me get this all peeled and I'll wipe this down and we'll stick that on there. All right, so that just sticks on there. Once it's on there, I mean, it fits. The fit on it's really good. Obviously it's not real carbon fiber like I mentioned. If it was, it'd be a whole lot more than this is. I don't know how much this cost. I'll put the link down in the description. I know that most of their stuff is very inexpensive, so I don't imagine that this would cost too much. So I'll put a link down if you're interested. But yeah, it just says glues on there, gives it a little extra look there. Let's go over to the steering wheel, and from this side, this panel doesn't look bad, but I said I haven't taped this down until I get some feedback from them about that, having a version with that. But the next thing I'm looking at is the steering wheel. This is another one of those areas that just, for whatever reason, I can never keep clean. There's always dust and something in all these cracks and crevices. Get this cleaned up, and then we'll see how the carbon fiber looks sitting over. Basically anything that's kind of this silver color will be getting swapped over to that gray and black. Let me get this cleaned up and we'll see how that looks. All right, so that actually looks pretty good too. I think that's just a subtle change, but I think, and this isn't too flashy. They do make some other versions of this. I know, like I said, this is the matte carbon fiber look. They have a gloss one. They also had some wood grain and some just like solid colors, I think. But yeah, I think this looks good. And the hardest part about installing these is backing off all the tape, because there's a ton of it. So yeah, I'll go through, get this all on, get that stuck on, and then we'll take a look at this faceplate down here. I got the steering wheel wiped down, got all the backing off of the tape, and this just will sit in there like so. But yeah, quick and easy. I'll go ahead and clean this radio bezel now, and we'll put that one on there and see how that looks. And that's pretty much it. And same thing with this piece. Just take all this adhesive backings off. Yeah, with everything in, it looks good. I still got to do the doors on this side, and that side they look good. This side, it's got that, you know, kind of cheap textured plastic, and that scratches very easily. So just covering those up, even if nothing else, as protection. Once you know, when it's time to trade in, just take those off, and these should be clean. Just clean up any adhesive that's removed, might still be on there, and everything will be as good as new. But yeah, that's it. Oh, still need to do this one down here also. Yeah, that one down there, just stick in there. Hopefully that's a little easier to keep clean. Probably not, but we could hope. But yeah, just go through, stick that in there, do the doors on this side, and we'll be all done. Like I said, I haven't stuck this one down. I'm going to send them some pictures and see if they have a version for not the handles. But if you're like probably 99% of other Bronco owners and have the handles there, that wouldn't be an issue. But all in all, very simple, very simple and quick upgrade that you could do to the interior of your Bronco. Said they have a couple of styles if you don't like this matte carbon fiber. It's worth checking out. It's super simple to install. It's just some adhesive. If you want to take it off, sure, you could, if we just heat this up a little bit, the adhesive would come right off, and then clean it up, and it's good as new. So I do want to thank our friends over at Muslogy. Do want to thank our friends over at Muslogy for reaching out and sending me this. It is something I was interested in. I do like it. I think it looks great. Like I said, it's quick interior upgrade. It's not super. It's not a super big modification or anything, but it's just little touches like this that go a long way, I think, in making your Bronco yours. So thanks to them for sending this out. If you are interested, there will be a link down in the description below. Like I said, I'm going to send them some pictures. I'll find out about the handle, if there's a version without that. So if you don't have a handle, or you're not planning on getting rid of your handle, look out. I'll let you know what I hear back from them regarding that. Otherwise, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.